Hey, guys, today we're going to make a classic Italian dish, baked spaghetti with meatballs. For this recipe, we'll need some spaghetti, ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs, milk, grated Parmesan cheese, marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, and some salt and pepper. First, let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, then, we'll cook our spaghetti according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Drain the pasta and set it aside for later. Next, we'll make our meatballs. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs, milk, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Mix everything well until it forms a homogeneous mixture. Then, shape the mixture into small meatballs and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the meatballs in the preheated oven for about 15 minutes or until they're browned and cooked through. Now, we'll assemble our baked spaghetti. In a baking dish, spread a layer of marinara sauce on the bottom. Then, add a layer of cooked spaghetti on top of the sauce. Next, add the meatballs on top of the spaghetti. Pour another layer of marinara sauce over the meatballs. Finally, sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce. Bake the spaghetti in the oven for about 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, a delicious and hearty baked spaghetti with meatballs. Enjoy! And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.